Hello and welcome to my video blog. Today we will have a short look at the new OpenAI platform where you can chat with the AI, but you can also create some programs, and it works also with Delphi. So we make some tests and see what here will come out. My goal is to get a form file with a list in it and two buttons, and the AI shall create this. So I've prepared a sentence and insert it here. So create a Delphi Pascal form file that has a till list box, an OK button and a cancel button in it, and create also the events for the buttons. So let's see what will happen then here. That was the explanation. And I have to say, at all times a little bit different. In the previous tests, the AI created first the unit, the pass file. So that's insofar right that we could now use this here and create the units, but that's not real what I wanted. Sometimes I have to formulate a little bit others. So we modify it a little bit and say create a Delphi unit file instead of form file. And let's see what happens now. Funny. We get first the explanation step by step, and as final results the AI creates also the whole unit. It's very interesting. So I will do the following. I simply copy the code first and save it in a notepad program, so then I have the unit file. But I want to have also the form file directly, so I will ask also for that. Create also the DFM file for this code. So we will see if the AI will understand this and will create also this file. For the first time we get the explanation for this, and we will get also the text for the form file. So that's fine. I will also copy this and paste it into another editor program. But let's try if we can get perhaps also the project file. So let's see what will happen if the program will also create the project file. First we get the explanation how we can do it by ourselves. And now the AI create also the DPF file. Very interesting. So I will copy also this and save it another file. And now I will save all together. And first I save the unit. Then I will save the DFM file. So, and now, and let's try to open this project and let's see what happens. So we have this unit and nothing happens. So what I've noticed that here this entry was missing, and therefore the form file wasn't visible when we pressed F12. So then let's try, and yeah, it runs. So even if we have to do some additional work, I've done 1 or 2 tests before. There the missing entry was included, so it seems sometimes it's perfect and sometimes not so perfect. But nevertheless, I think it's very impressive, and let's see how this works in the future. So let's try a little bit more. So I want to create also directly the DFM file and the project file. Let's see what happens there. So, wow, that's unbelievable. So I've copied all these files. I've made a little mistake by saving the names for the program. I have renamed it to my project here, and now all should work. Yes, it compiles and it works. Fantastic. So this is only a short demo. I've made some more tests, for example, to create small functions. I've posted it here already in the Delphi Praxis. For example, I've said write a function in Delphi Pascal to load a text file in a memo, and the AI create this. Or I said write a function in Delphi Pascal that shows a message dialog with yes, no, and cancel buttons, and result was this. And also I said write a function in Delphi Pascal with FireMonkey that changes 2 items in a list box, and the result was this. Okay, not all is perfect, but I think in the future it will. And I think also if we include the speech recognition and this AI capabilities in programs, for example, in some years here also in Delphi, and then we tell the program what it should do. For example, we said, okay, Delphi, create a new form and insert at a list box, name it LB persons, and add also at the right side 2 buttons. The first name BN OK with caption OK, and the second name BN cancel with caption cancel. So that's much more faster than to make it all by hand and select the components and so on. So I think this is that what we can expect in the future, and yeah, let's see what will happen. So I hope this was interesting for you, and If you want, test it by yourself. Bye bye.